Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 4th August. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So if we see the 5th August weekly expiry contract, you will see that in calls, highest amount of open interest is currently at 16,200 call strike, followed by 16,300 call strike. So for 5th August weekly expiry series, 16,200 and 16,300 are likely to act as resistances in the market. And if we see the puts open interest data, you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is currently at 15,900 put strike, followed by 16,000 put strike. So for this weekly series, support in the market is at 16,000 levels, followed by 15,900. And if we see the change in open interest data for today, 3rd August, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in calls has happened at 16,400 strike, followed by 16,250 strike. And you will also see 15,600 call strike, 15,700 call strike, 15,800, 15,900 and 16,000 call strikes. They saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that call option buyers, they book their profits, and call option writers, they book their losses, as all these call strikes, they have became in the money. And if we see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in puts happened at 16,000 strike, followed by 15,900 strike. So going forward, 16,000 and 15,900 are likely to act as strong support in the market. And I'll repeat again, broadly speaking, we are trading in a range of 16,300 to the upside, followed by 15,900 to the downside on the index based on the options open interest data. If we analyze the index on multiple time frame, you will see on the monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyers above 15,874 level. And on the weekly open, the opening was the same as this Monday to the monthly as well as the weekly time frame. New candles opened up, so the monthly and the weekly candles opening are the same. So on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, market is under control of buyers. And if we see the daily time frame, here you will see again above today's open 15,951, we had a situation of full time frame continuity. That is on all the time frames, the yearly time frame, the quarterly time frame, the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, and the daily time frame, all were trading above their respective time frames opening prints. So we had a situation of full time frame continuity to the upside, in which buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And if we see the price structure, we have been making higher highs and higher lows on the index. So we are in an uptrend based on the price structure. So we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 16,146, we can potentially trade towards 16,209 levels, 16,287 level, and potentially 16,378 levels. And below 16,014 levels, we can trade towards 15,914 levels, 15,851 levels, and 15,773 level. However, based on the overall open interest data, 16,000 is likely to act as a strong support in the market. So for conservative traders, one should look for only buying positions in this environment. That is, we should look for only buying opportunities above 16,146 levels, and we should refrain from making any trades in between 16,146 to 16,014 levels on the index. If we analyze our stock watch list, the stocks that we have chosen, they have all made an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So our first stock is Bandhan Bank. So it is trading above the 5-day exponential moving average. However, it is trading below the 20-day exponential moving averages. And in terms of the moving average crossover, it is in a bear market for this time frame based on these 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. However, it is in between 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for either side of the range to break to establish a position. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 302.9 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 296 level in Bandhan Bank. Our next stock is Cholafin. So it is in a downtrend based on the 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. However, yesterday we saw a sharp reversal with relatively higher volumes on Cholafin, and today we saw it form an inside candlestick. So we have not formed a 5 and 20-day exponential moving average crossover, bullish crossover yet. However, we are trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 528 in Cholafin. Else we'll not be making any trade. Our next stock is Marico. It's in a clear uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 545.4 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow based on inside candlestick pattern is Tata Consumer Products. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 770.85 levels. And before ending this video, I like to summarize that above 16,146 levels, we can potentially trade towards 16,287 levels, and below 16,014 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,914 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 16,300 to 15,900 based on overall open interest data. And the max pain for this weekly series has shifted upwards to 16,000. So if market was to expire at 16,000 on 5th August, in that scenario, call and put option writers of 16,000 strike, they would be making profits. And we have already discussed our stock watch list: Bandhan Bank, Cholafin, Marico, and Tata Consumer Products. These are inside candlestick pattern stocks on the daily time frame. And I like to thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.